Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be showcasing yeah. This is giving me 2012 synthetic wig feel. Yeah, she's definitely giving me 2012. Listen. Welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun. But this one right here, I don't know. She's not. She ain't doing it for me at all. Like, yeah. If you've been here before, thank you for tuning in. Come on, let's get into who's that girl. I'm gonna put her together. She's a full cap wig, so it ain't much to do. But yeah, I'll go ahead and give you her details on this wig. All right, let's go. Okay, so first of all, I got this wig from Motown Tress. It's a Go Girl hair. And she's a curlable wig. I don't have a flat iron, so I can't even get to the curls in her. And don't get me wrong, when I first put her on, the curls was curling. Like, they were doing the thing. And then I brushed her out and whoop, she just dropped. And when I say she dropped, she dropped. Anyway, this is what she doesn't have much information. She is 24 inches. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. She is a curly unit. I got her in the color F1B30. This is going to be fast as F because I cannot wait to take this hair off. This is what the stock card is giving. You see all these curls? Now, the reason why I purchased her, because there is this, I can't remember the name of the hair, and if I find her, I'll put her on the screen, that was going viral. She was a flip bang. I thought it was from this company, so this is the reason why I ordered her. But baby, no, it's not the same thing. She's a standard wig, the 2 combs in the front, but no comb in the back, and adjustable strap. She's a full cap wig. She is big head friendly. She fits my dome perfectly fine. Her color is really nice. She's very shiny, and this is why I'm saying 2012 type of wig, because she is really giving off synthetic Barbie hair, if that makes sense. Her curls is not curling. Ooh, see? It's supposed to give me them 70 vibe, that Farrah Fawcett like flip, 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 flip. But again, I don't have a curling iron on me. It broke. So yeah, this is what it's given. I think I paid under $20 for her. She might have been just 15 bucks. Would I buy her again? No. Where would I take her to? I'm about to take her the fuck off. I'm about to take her totally off because, baby, no. No. Synthetic wigs have come a long way. Motown. Get with Outre. Get with Sensational. Get with Janet Collection. Are you doing here? Get with these other companies to go ahead and produce real nice synthetic. And when I say synthetic, not plasticky, because this feels like plastic, hair. Now, if you have an event, Hold on. Let me chew this because this is how I'm feeling. This is how I'm feeling in this hair. You have an event, a little quick event, and you want to get it and get out. Yeah, for the price, she's a perfect wig. If you have a curling line, you can probably bump her and spray her down and she'll stay. Her curls will probably stay. So she would be a good wig for like a quick event. If I was doing, let's say, a 70s party or something like that, and I wanted to get that Farrah Fawcett look going. Other than that, she is just... No, she's not it. She's just not it. I can't even give you any kind of anything on her because no. No, 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 no. She is a no. She is not a synthetic wig that I would... I mean, I purchased her, but she's not a synthetic wig that I can say, girl, you need this in your closet. I had a oopsie. Oopsie. Anyway, if you happen to want to see me more on your YouTube channel, like, comment, and subscribe, please. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video with good quality synthetic wigs. Ooh, child, even look at this. Okay, you will go ahead and get notified. Time to take this things off. Oh, that's going in the garbage. All right, love you guys. Bye.